Hi everyone, welcome to Data Kangaroo. Today in our R tutorial series we're going to quickly go over how to install R to our computer. So let's get right into it. First, open up your web browser and type in RStudio. We're going to want to click the link that says rstudio.com. In the top right you're going to find a download button. Click that and scroll to the area that says free. Click that download button. In order to run RStudio, we first have to install the base R program, so click this link here. Find the new link that is appropriate for your operating system and click that. In the top right, you're going to find the area that says Install R for the first time, and that will redirect you to a link on top where you want to click Download. When your file is done downloading, open it up and then select your language. I'm going to click Next over here, next one more, next again, next again. Then do I want a shortcut on my desktop? I actually do not, so I hit Next and then it'll install. Once R is done installing, click Finish, and then go back and open up RStudio, and we're going to download the one that's appropriate for your operating system. We're going to open that up and click Next here to download RStudio. Click Next again, and this will just be the folder that you want to put it in, and I click Install here. Once RStudio is done installing, click Finish, and then go ahead and open that up. And then you're going to get a little prompt here that says they can take some crash report information when it crashes. So I just go ahead and click No. Now we're going to make sure that RStudio is working correctly. I have a couple lines of code in the video description that you can paste. So paste that in and push enter, and then this should pop up the statistics. So that's how we know that R is working correctly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe if you're interested in learning more about R or data science. Thanks for watching.